Well, good morning and thanks for tuning in. This morning it's the start of season 3. I'm not putting my boat in quite yet. It's the 21st of March 2017, and but we're going to be putting my friend Ricky's boat in today. It's a Poseidon 470. He purchased it from myself a year ago, so it's his second season, and we're going to change his mooring today. We're going to put the boat in, we're going to get the mooring set up. He wants to change the position in the harbour and grab a space while he can before the Greeks go in there and get all the slots. So looking forward to getting back on the water, and so meeting Ricky, and should be a good day. So we'll see you later and we'll talk you through what we're doing. Alright, all the best. Rock and roll. Got three new friends and their other buddies over there. But you'll see the old harbour is looking absolutely beautiful. So calm, peaceful. 21st of March. So we're going to be putting the boats normally go over there. I usually place my boat over there, and Ricky's usually next to me. But today we're going to reposition Rick's boat over in that little spot over there. There's a couple of spaces become available, so Ricky wants to get it in before everybody comes down and starts snapping up spots. So that's what today's mission is all about. That's the harbour master's hut. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And here's Rick now. Here he is. Good morning, Calimera, Ricky.
How you doing, mate?
Hey, she's looking gorgeous. Hey. Hey, I've got something for you. Yeah, you'll like this. Watch this. Come on, boys and girls. Come on, have the wave. I got him this. I got you a nice hot coffee. You like coffee, don't you?
It ain't a coffee.
I'm good, mate. I'm good. Yeah, I've got one now. I've been here about 5 minutes, so.
Oh, you really?
Yeah.
Bloody hell.
I know. Oh, I'm fucking keen, mate. Look, hey, look at that water. How gorgeous
mate,
is that,
yeah,
fucking?
lovely,
Hey, beautiful. Got 3 little birds here. Not the sort of birds we want, though.
No, no.
Nice breasts, though. That one's drunk. Sharp round, buddy. Bravo. Yeah, now straighten her up a bit. Daxi. No, perfect. Perfect. Okay, mate. Nah. Beautiful. Yep, perfect, Rick, that. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, keep going. Bit more. Bit more. Yeah. That'll do you, bud. Yeah. You can go a little bit more. Yeah, just a foot more, mate. Daxi. Yeah. That's it. That'll do him. That'll do him, mate. That'll do him. Yeah. Yeah, you're cool. You're all right there, I think.
Wait.
Yeah.
Cheers, George. Right then.
Hold on, buddy. Stay there. There. Yeah. Bravo. Yeah, you're good. Handbrake on, first gear. That's it, buddy. Right, you climb in, lower the engine, mate, and fire the old girl up. Oh, yes.
All right then.
Yes. There we go. How you feeling, Ricky?
First time this year, Carlos?
Oh yeah, 2017.
Yeah.
March the 21st. Well, it's great to be back out on the water again. 2017, March the 21st. And we've got Captain Ricky here, bless him. Oh yes. And we're going bottom fishing. So we're going to go to a very nice, well they call it the Secret Cove, but it's actually, its official Greek name is Koutala, which means spoon, because from the air it actually looks like a spoon. So it's a beautiful little cove. So that's where we're off to now. We're going to put 3 lines out, 2 rods and a traditional Greek fishing line, which I'll show you shortly. And let's hope we can catch something. The sun's gone in now. It was a beautiful sunny morning first thing this morning, as you saw earlier. But now obviously the clouds are down, but it's not too bad. A little bit breezy, but all the same, very nice indeed. It's a little bit breezy. What depth you got now, Rick?
84.
84 foot?
Feet, yeah.
84 foot deep at the moment. In Greece we should be doing it in metres, but the thing is with 84 foot, doing it in feet, we can visualise feet being English. Whereas metres is a bit different. It takes a bit of the old grey matter to work it out. Right, we're going to go over there. This is that cove that I was telling you about. It's a beautiful little cove, Koutala in Greek. Koutala. And believe it or not, there's actually a beautiful little beach at the end of this cove, but there is actually 2 German World War II bombs buried on the beach about a metre down. So I'm told by the locals, but they're well buried. And when of course the Crete was invaded by the Germans in 1941. Here we are. We're going to go over that way, Rico, just over there a little bit, my old buddy. What how many feet now, mate?
65.
65. 65's quite deep, isn't it? 65 foot. Let's try and go in the middle of it if we can. There's the little beach over there. So it's great for a barbecue in the summer. A bit too cold today, it's a bit fresh. What's the depth? 64. Tell me when you're down to about 50. What about now, mate?
Yeah. 56.
56, yeah. Right, if you want to turn it round so we're facing round this way, and that'll about do us. Anywhere here, mate, will do us great. So, excuse me while I drop the anchor. Okay, we're safely here now in about 40 foot of water, and this is bottom fishing, where one of my other videos I've shown you put a weight on the bottom of the line, and in this particular case on the rod we've got two small chunks of calamari, or squid in English, and one there as well. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're just going to literally take it over the side. Oh, one more top thing, again what I said in the video, another video about bottom fishing, is we put these little bells on. These little bells, which might seem a bit silly, but believe me, they work. So I'm just going to put this over the side in a minute. So I'm going to let it drop, then I shall put my bells on. Once I've untangled this, that's it. Right, so basically all I'm doing, I line it in the water, and then I release the arm of the reel and just literally let it drop. Pretty much all the way to the bottom. taking the line out, taking the line out. Whoa, there we go, almost there. And when the reel stops, there we go, I'm on the bottom now, so now I'm going to lift it up by about a foot, and then I'm going to put the bells on the end of the rod. These will enable you to have a beer or two and have a chat, like that, all the way around. And the minute a fish catches, you know you've got a bite. See, like that, and that's it, pretty much. And then put it in your rod holder if you've got a rod holder, or somewhere secure. That's now a foot off the bottom. You can carry on having a beer. Cheers. Okay, right. In Greece, I don't know about other parts of the world, but they use these little things. They're about €3 to buy. They come supplied with the line, although there's not a great many metres of line. But they're fantastic. And if you go on any fishing trips in Greece, invariably, most of the time, you'll fish with these. And again, the same principle as the rod. You've got a weight on the bottom, 2 hooks, in this case some bread, and you just literally put it over the side of the boat or wherever you are, rocks or wherever, like that, and then let the weight take the line, like that. That sinks down, and it doesn't really get much more simpler than that. And then, again, you can attach a bell to it, because believe me, when a fish takes, it really will take the line. So in this case, I'll put it on the front of the boat, like that, with a bell. Done. There you are. Rock and roll. Well, we're on our way back to the harbour now, and we've had a fabulous day out. That's the harbour. It's a lovely little harbour. It's called Kalivas in northwest Crete, and it's a friendly little place, traditional fishing harbour. It was actually built in the 80s because they used to use the original river that comes from the mountains there that you see into the town, and they used to basically moor all the boats down the side of the river like they do in some of the other villages. But they built this harbour in around the 1985-86, I think, if I've been told. So, but it's really nice, very friendly, mainly all fishermen, and €20 a year to moor it, which is about £15, which is absolutely nothing, obviously. Believe it or not, this harbour holds about 95 boats in this midsummer. Quite a lot for a small harbour. It's only a metre deep as well. A metre and a few inches, or centimetres. There's the fishermen. Getting ready to go out, because they usually go out early morning, about 6 in the morning, and come back at about 10 o'clock in the morning, and then they go out at about 6 o'clock at night, which is about now, and come back at about 9 o'clock at night. That's when the fish feed, so I'm told. All sorts of shapes and sizes and ages as well. There's a boat, a traditional boat there, the blue one. Was built in 1964, all wood. Now we're going to come into Ricky's new mooring. It's got a lovely spot just here. Beautiful. Yeah.